If you've ever loaded up your truck bed, hit the road, and then watched your gear shift, bounce, or nearly fly out on a turn, you already know how frustrating, and honestly dangerous, a bad cargo net can be. Cheap nets stretch out, hooks snap, and suddenly you're pulling over to fix a mess you thought was secured. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 truck bed cargo nets that actually hold your load tight, last over time, and keep your gear where it belongs. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your truck, your cargo, and your budget, without wasting money on something that fails when it matters. Quick favor before we jump in. If you want real, no BS automotive gear reviews that help you buy right the first time, hit that subscribe button. I've linked the best current deals in the description, and if you're not sure which cargo net will work for your truck or what you usually haul, drop a comment. I'll help you choose the right setup. Starting at number 5, the AUTOWN Cargo Net. This is a solid entry-level net built from high-elasticity latex core bungee material wrapped in durable nylon for added strength and weather resistance. The mesh design expands to cover a decent portion of your truck bed, making it compatible with most pickup sizes, and it comes with a set of sturdy plastic hooks designed to latch onto factory tie-down points. The net stretches easily, and the reinforced edges help prevent tearing under tension. It's lightweight, folds down compact, and doesn't take up much space when stored. In real-world use, this is a great option for light-duty hauling, things like groceries, sports gear, or smaller boxes. I've used nets like this for everyday truck use, and they're quick to throw on and secure without much effort. It's ideal if you're not hauling heavy equipment but still want to keep things from sliding around. Here's what most people don't realize. For lighter loads, a flexible net like this is actually more convenient than rigid tie-down systems. The only drawback is that under heavier loads, the stretch can work against you slightly, but for the price, it does its job well. Now, if you want something with more stretch and flexibility for irregular loads, the next option steps it up. At number 4, the highly elastic cargo net. As the name suggests, this one focuses on maximum stretch and adaptability. It's made from thickened bungee cords with a tighter grid pattern, which helps distribute pressure more evenly across your cargo. The net includes multiple adjustable hooks, often made from durable ABS plastic or coated metal, and it's designed to expand significantly to cover larger truck beds or oddly shaped loads. The elasticity allows it to conform around bulky items without leaving loose gaps. From experience, this type of net works really well for drivers who haul mixed or uneven cargo. Things like camping gear, toolboxes, or oddly shaped equipment. It hugs the load better than standard nets, which helps prevent shifting during turns or braking. Installation is quick, and you can reposition the hooks easily depending on your load. But here's the trade-off. The extra elasticity means it's not as rigid under very heavy loads, so if you're hauling dense items, you may want something with less stretch. And that's exactly where the next option starts to stand out. At number 3, the TIRETEK Cargo Net. This is where you start getting into a more balanced design between strength and flexibility. It's built with premium latex bungee cords wrapped in durable nylon, but the grid is tighter and more structured compared to basic nets. The hooks are upgraded, often heavy-duty metal or reinforced plastic, and the net includes additional attachment points for better load distribution. It's designed to fit most standard truck beds and offers a good mix of stretch and control. In real-world use, the TIRETEK net feels more secure than entry-level options. I've used similar nets for hauling medium-weight loads like tools, coolers, and construction materials, and it holds everything down without excessive bounce or sag. This is what most people don't realize. The tighter grid makes a big difference in keeping smaller items from slipping through or shifting around. It's a great middle ground option for daily drivers who use their truck regularly. The only minor downside is that it takes a bit more time to hook everything evenly, but that's part of getting a more secure hold. Now, if you're hauling heavier gear or want something that feels closer to professional grade, the next pick takes it further. At number 2, the GLADIATOR Cargo Nets. These are built for serious durability, using heavy-duty bungee material with reinforced stitching and a thicker cord diameter designed to handle heavier loads. The grid pattern is tighter and more structured, and the hooks are typically metal with protective coatings to prevent scratching your truck. These nets are designed to cover larger truck beds and handle demanding hauling situations without losing tension or shape. Hands-on, this is where you start trusting your cargo net in tougher conditions. I've used heavy-duty nets like this for hauling construction materials, large coolers, and even equipment. And the difference in tension and stability is noticeable. Here's where this really stands out. Once it's secured, the load feels locked in, not just held down. It's perfect for truck owners who regularly carry heavier or more valuable items. The only drawback is that it's slightly heavier and less compact when stored, but that's the trade-off for durability. And finally, at number 1, the TacoNets Envelope Cargo Net. This is a premium solution that takes a different approach with its envelope-style design. Instead of just laying over your cargo, it wraps around it, creating a more secure containment system. It's made from high-strength elastic webbing with reinforced stitching, and it's designed specifically for truck beds, often with model-specific fitment options. The net includes heavy-duty hooks or mounting points and is engineered to handle both light and heavy loads without losing tension. In real-world use, this is one of the most secure cargo net systems you can get. I've tested envelope-style nets on mixed loads, everything from loose gear to stacked boxes. And the difference is immediate. Nothing shifts, nothing bounces out, and you get a level of security that standard nets just can't match. It's ideal for serious truck owners, overlanders, or anyone who regularly hauls valuable or unpredictable cargo. The only minor downside is that it takes a bit longer to set up compared to basic nets, but once it's in place, it's rock solid. So here's the bottom line. If you want a simple, budget-friendly option for light use, the AUTOWN Net at number 5 gets the job done. The highly elastic net at number 4 is great for flexible, uneven loads. The TIRETEK Net at number 3 offers a strong balance of control and stretch. The GLADIATOR Net at number 2 is built for heavy-duty hauling and serious use. And the TacoNets Envelope Net at number 1 delivers the best overall security and performance for demanding truck owners. A good cargo net isn't just about convenience. It's about safety, protecting your gear, and avoiding the headache of shifting loads. Choose the right one, and you'll feel the difference every time you hit the road. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more real-world automotive gear reviews. Check the description for the latest deals on all these cargo nets, and drop your truck model or what you usually haul in the comments. I'll help you pick the perfect setup.